Learn numbers. In this video, you will learn how to write from 1 through to number 20, and you will also learn how to count from 1 to 20. Let's write number 1. The number 1. Let's write number 2. The number 2. Number 3. The number 4. The number 5. The number 6. The number 7. The number 8. The number 9. The number 10. The number 11. The number 12. The number 13. The number 14. The number 15. The number 16. The number 17. The number 18. The number 19. And the number 20. We have written numbers from 1 to 20. Now we will learn to count from 1 through 20. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now you will learn how to identify random numbers. What number is this number? That's the number 9. Which number is this number? That's the number 6. Which number is this number? That's the number 2. The number 3. The number 5. The number 1. The number 8. The number 10. The number 7. The number 20. The number 16. The number 13. The number 11. The number 15. The number 19. The number 12. The number 17. Thanks for watching Kids ABC TV. You have just learned how to write numbers and identify numbers. You can go to my channel for more educational video for kids. Please subscribe to this channel. Remember to support us. Give us a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. New video for kids are uploaded regularly. Thank you for all your support.